Hi, I'm Jeremy, here on behalf of ExpertVillage. I'm going to give you a little introduction to the possibilities you have with balloons. Now, I personally can do over 230 designs out of balloons. That was the last time I counted. I'd made 180 of them up, which means there are plenty of designs still out there to be made. Now, for example, there's a monkey and a turtle. A couple of different kinds of princesses, your standard and your mermaid. You got your superhero or your sumo wrestler. This is one you get to learn. If you want animals, there's stuff like a koala bear or a frog. Flowers or motorcycles. If you want small and cute, we got stuff like fairies or ladybugs. We also have things like turtles and swords. And we have one of my favorites, designed, made up not long ago, an alien embryo for all of you science fiction lovers out there.